Some of you might remember when we first started looking at fake profiles, we were digging around in these particular places and found some fakes. And I have a list of about 20 here that we started with that we were reporting. And initially when we reported them, the yellow coded ones here mean that Facebook found those to be fake and removed them. And the pink, they said, didn't violate community standards. So that was 4 out of 20. Well, I checked yesterday, and this is the updated version here. Instead of 4 being removed, now we have 15 removed. And that's a great improvement. I don't know if they're removed permanently or temporarily, but they are inactive right now. And that boosted my stats from 20% to 75% removal rate. And I'm pretty proud of that. There were more accounts. There's a list of 73 that we started with here. Some of them included names like Allie Spearling and Claudia Thompson. Initially, Facebook only removed 9 of these. All the pink is ones that they said did not go against the community standards. 9 out of 73. That's a miserable something like 12% removal rate. And I got very discouraged at that until I looked again yesterday. And here we go. Remember, the pink over on the left side says Facebook has said it doesn't go against community standards, and yellow means it's been removed. The difference is night and day. This is incredible how many accounts have been removed. Now, the statistics, instead of 9 out of 73, 53 out of 73, with a 73% removal rate. I can't get them to remove every one of them, but 73% of the fakes that I find getting removed, that's a pretty good statistic, 73 to 75%. And you could see these pictures. Here's Allie that we looked at before. When you go to Allie's profile now and you look at it, this is what comes up. Instead of Allie Spearling, where is it? It comes up Allie Morgan. But the link was the same, MORII 7668. That's kind of strange. And on that first batch that we were looking at, I had Haley Dixon here. When you look at Haley Dixon's photo, it's kind of funny. Page through some of these until we get to Haley. Because Haley's a name you usually associate with girl, but here's what Haley looked like before. That was pretty interesting. You want to see what Haley looks like now? Same account. Facebook said didn't violate standards. Now Haley is Haroon Khan. And to see what she shares with friends, send her a friend request. It's hilarious. So Facebook just hasn't caught up to us yet. But with us having a 75 to 73% removal rate, we're not doing too poorly. I'm just telling Facebook, don't doubt me. Don't fight me on this. I'm right. At least 75% of the time you've agreed and removed those profiles, even after making us wait. So I just thought you'd appreciate an update of some of our successes and let you know we're going to be looking at some of these other accounts that have changed their names and their images and all those things. So stay tuned. We're not done with this yet.